Hello, 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 beautiful people. I got a Yu-Gi-Oh! 20 card mixed something. They are 200 cards in one. I got them for not too much on Amazon. Like my last video where I opened all the One Piece cards. These are the same thing, just there's much more. They had a 500 card bundle like the ones I get for Card Fight. But I got the 200 pack because I didn't have that much money on me since my finances are going to be very small coming up since something happened with one of my incomes. But I'll still do videos. I mean, I have nothing else to do. I mean, my living, I'm stable at home. I got money coming in still. So I'm good. It's just stuff to keep me occupied, really. This is the first one. Let me move back. I am on a folding chair and a tiny space. I really can't see what I'm looking at because my tripod is in the way. Let's move that because it's getting in the way. I have to keep focus. So again, I will be looking at, again, that's what I said. Yeah, I just filmed a One Piece video and I'm talking about stuff I was talking about yesterday to you. I will be looking over what I got. Ooh, ham! I mean, beef! Beef! It's a cow. He's half man, half cow now. So he's Cow-Machan. Let's rip that open. Half man, half cow. That's the name we go by. Cowman. Cowman. I was just watching a 11-minute video on Dennis Quaid before I started this while I was making my coffee. And he did a lot of, you know what, nose. He did a lot of nose powder back in the day. And probably a lot of Tokum if you got him. I can't see him not doing that. I mean, doing nose candy's one thing, but I imagine he smoked and stuff too. I mean, like cigarettes and stuff. Because normally if you're doing that kind of drug, you're probably smoking too. That's what I found in life. If you're doing... I worked with people who were clearly drug addicts coming into my workplace. And they all bought, like, cigarettes and stuff like that. Zins. And I can tell you, if you're doing, like, hard drugs, you're probably smoking, too. Well, these are the shinies. The foils. Ooh, 100-Eyed Dragon. There's that card. I kind of slipped up. Yeah, but stay tuned. I might get that 500 card ordeal, which most likely comes in a box that I have to dump out onto the table, onto my little destroyed tray table here. I use this tray table for drying food cups too, but I use a drying cloth. This is not from the drying cloth. This is just, I've had this for like 9 years. This is literally just wear and tear, cleaning it and stuff. Also use it to paint. I paint canvases. I got 2 different types of easels, a bunch of different paint cups and stuff. I love painting. My mom's moving out of her current home back to our home state, which I will be visiting when she does. So I'll be going to downtown Disney, and I'll do some videos there, but that's in August, so I'll be saving up money for that trip. So I'll save like $100 a month from here on out. Because I still like going to the movies and getting my mystery boxes and stuff, which I only do one video of the mystery box, and you've seen that. That's the only one I'll show. Because that's the only one I think people would be interested in. Yeah, I'm a shopaholic. I like shopping. It keeps my mind occupied. It's my stimulation. But yeah, that's 200 cards. From what I saw of them, from my weird position, because it's literally right here. This is where it's blocking my view of right here. That's where I can see it's been 8 minutes. I do suggest getting these. That's my clothes steamer right there. And my power duster. I do suggest getting these. They are awesome. They will boost your collection. I do hope people stop giving these bad names, because you're not going to get like, oh, I'm not getting the card that's worth $200 or this that I can sell. Yes, I have cards like that. I have them in protected seals, but this is what I mainly get because I'm just trying to boost my collection to a amount that I like. I want to get one day as many cards as I possibly can from Yu-Gi-Oh! And this is one of the best ways to do that. So I highly suggest doing this if you're just trying to boost your collection or have extra cards maybe to build a deck and to build like a nice deck or something for competition. These could help you out. They're cheap. You get them quick if you have Amazon Prime. Yeah, double thumbs up. Check you later.